So I take a bite and I'll tell you how it is. What is going on, everybody? How's everyone doing? Hope you're hungry. I sure am. This is episode 2 of the North Shore Three-Way. Today we are traveling through, what is Boston right now? We're going off-roading right now. We're in Charlestown right now, but we're heading to a bordering town, which will be there in a few minutes, actually. Alright, we're about to pass by now what is now going to be, or soon to be, the newest casino in Massachusetts. So, obviously, I should give it away. We are in Everett, Massachusetts, right? The sun's killing me right about now. Here we are. Yes, we're trying to film this just right. The sun is setting behind me, so I'm trying to keep it in sight. So, we are in Everett, Massachusetts, North Shore, episode 2 of the North Shore Three-Way, and we are going to Mike's Roast Beef on Route 99 in Everett. And this place is be a little bit of a task to get to. It's located on the right hand side of 99 if you're coming from Boston. If you're coming the other direction, it's like a 2-lane road. It's just, there's a light there with a side street. You can kind of get into it that way. It's always traffic, so you can always find a break in it, but it isn't the most accessible place to get to during like rush hour peak times. Like right now it's like 4:30 in the afternoon, so it's gonna be a little difficult if I was coming from the other direction, but needless to say, it hasn't stopped people. It's very, very popular at lunchtime during the week and the weekends, of course, but all the work is at the steel place and the power plant and the soon-to-be casino, which is to my left right now, which you cannot really see, but they're due to open up in about 4 to 5 months, which is kind of cool. So I'm sure there'll be a lot of nights I am drunk at the casino and then staggering my way down the street to get a Mike's Roast Beef. I can almost guarantee it will happen twice this summer, if not 3 times. But yes, we're almost there. We're going to pull in there. I'll do the same rules as always. I'll get my small beef with sauce. I'll eat it in front of you. We'll enjoy it together. Might be a little cold for me. This might be another episode I'm done inside my car. We'll see. But stay tuned. Alright, everybody. Alright, well, I got my small roast beef. It's called junior beef with sauce. I gotta be very particular where I stand. The sun is directly behind my head right now, so if I move anywhere, we're gonna get a glare. So, but it was $5.46 with tax, which is not bad for a price range. Can't remember what the other one was. Episode 1 at Glenn's, but it was about the same. It's close. Well, anywhere between, I would say, $5.50 to $7 is reasonable for a small roast beef. Anything more than that, it gets a little crazy. We're gonna experience places that are gonna be more than that, and I'm gonna tell you once it's not worth it at all. I gotta say, for your dollar though, This place is worth the effort to Everett. It's not in the nicest neighborhood, but it never stopped me at 3 o'clock in the morning to have a roast beef sandwich, I can tell you that much. But here we go right now. So it's a decent sized roast beef. Like episode 1 at Glenn's, they also do a hamburger bun for their small. Typically when you get to the larger ones, it's usually sometimes an onion roll or sometimes another bulky roll of some sort. But or a puppy seed roll is also a popular one. But for the smalls, it's usually a hamburger bun, just as it right here. So I take a bite and I'll tell you how it is. Now, this roast beef, you definitely taste, the beef definitely has more flavor. I'm not sure how they cook it, but you can really taste the juices of the beef. It's actually quite delightful. This place, if you like a sauce, you have to order extra sauce on it. As episode 1 at Glenn's, their regular sauce is a whole lot of sauce. So if you don't like so much sauce, if you're going to Glenn's, get light. If you're going to Mike's, where we're at right now, just get regular. They toast the bun on both sides to prevent moisture from actually hitting the bread, which actually makes it divine. I mean, this is like a flavor party in my mouth. Oh, it's great. The best part about sitting here in the parking lot eating is I get to see like all the trucks go by from the produce center and from like the sheet metal places and stuff. You know, occasionally there'll be a high-speed chase that makes its way through. This place is never not busy. It's always busy. In fact, you always gotta wait when you come in this place. And they got free Wi-Fi too. The one thing to note is they just recently started taking debit cards and credit cards. Probably maybe 2 years ago or so, 2 or 3 years ago. Minimum purchase of $10. Luckily enough, I did have cash on me today, so I was able to purchase my small beef with cash. Ordinarily, I would use my card, so just keep that in mind if you're going. They do have an ATM here, although the ATM charges like $3 or $4 to use, plus your bank will charge you too. No bene. But this burger, it's not burger. This roast beef is very bene. You could really taste the flavor of the beef. It's not stringy. It's tender. I do think Glenn's is a little more moist and it falls apart more in your mouth. This is more like your traditional roast beef. A little fatty, but not too much. I mean, there's some that are really stringy and not good. But this is a good quality meat. Oh, this is wonderful. Love a nice roast beef. Some people want salt and pepper on it too. Let's probably taste a little salt, a little seasoning. The good thing about the sauce is that if you don't get too much sauce, it's not too much of a mess. And this is a messy sandwich. This isn't a crunch. Can you hear the crunch of the toasted bun? It's almost like they glaze it with like a butter. And they throw it on the flat top. And they just make a magical sensation of flavor. I feel like I'm in Flavor Town right now. It's like candy. It's great. Well, that was my review on episode 2 of Mike's Roast Beef in Everett. It's on Route 99, right before the new casino going. There's a down the road brewery. There's a block away, so if you like some brew beer, check that out too. Go there sometimes. You can even take your roast beef sandwich over there, which is the best of both worlds, and eat a roast beef and have some craft beer. As getting in there, getting out of there can be an adventure as well. Took me a few minutes to get out of the parking lot with the traffic, but you know, it is what it is. You pay for the quality of the food. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this vlog, if you will, of roast beef reviews, the North Shore 3-Way, I encourage you all to subscribe. You hit the little subscribe button right somewhere around there. And if you want to be alerted every time I post a new episode, which is typically every Tuesday, just hit the little bell right there. And if you enjoy my characteristics, you can check my radio show out /podcast/live stream called the Arty 84 Show, which is also found on this YouTube page. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself, and we'll see you guys next week. We'll be going to another location in the North Shore, of course. And of course, if you have a place you want me to check out, which a couple people have already done this so far, please list it in the comment section below, and I will be more than happy to review it and give you my what I think. I like to think of myself as a roast beef connoisseur, so it's a fun adventure for all of us. So enjoy, have a great day, and we'll see you next week. Toodaloo!